I put my dead flowers apron back on because I've got one more Kentucky Derby recipe I want to share with you. In 2006, the chief entertainment officer of Brown-Forman Distilleries decided they wanted to come up with a cocktail that could be an alternative to the Mint Julep. This is a vodka cocktail as opposed to a bourbon cocktail, and truth be told, I think they were trying to appeal to some of the ladies. That's why this became known as the Lily. Now, many of you may know that the day before the Kentucky Derby is Kentucky Oaks Day. That has become just as big a deal around here as Derby Day. That's when the fillies race for the lilies. This drink was made pink in order to match the stargazer lilies that are in the garland that is put over the winner of the Kentucky Oaks. The first year this drink was introduced, they only served it at one bar at Churchill Downs. When they noticed the line was completely out the door all day long, they quickly learned that they should probably expand and put it at all the bars. Now it's served throughout Churchill Downs, and if you walk into any store here in the Louisville area, you will find the glasses that are needed to be able to make these at home. One exciting thing about making this cocktail today, I'm going to be able to use my new vintage Ice-O-Matic ice crusher. My friend Dana found this for me at a local thrift shop, and I am in love. Also, it's pink, so it keeps with the theme of this drink. All right, let's do this. In keeping with the traditional Brown-Forman recipe, you'll want to use 1 1/4 ounces Finlandia Vodka. We're just going to put that in our cocktail shaker. Next, you'll add 1 ounce sweet and sour mix, 1/4 ounce triple sec, and 3 ounces of cranberry juice. This isn't rocket science, so I'm just loosely measuring out 3 ounces. All right. Let's stir this up. Now I'm going to fill up the Ice-O-Matic. Y'all, this is so cool. This drink goes in a stemless wine glass. And we're going to top it off with our crushed ice. This gets garnished with some blackberries and lemon if you have it. And you're going to enjoy this through a straw. Delicious. This is a great drink to serve at your derby party. As always, please enjoy responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Derby season has officially kicked off here in Louisville. I hope you have a great rest of the week. I'll see you Monday. Until then, keep jamming.